Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Bruner Tuner and I am Taylor. Today's video is going to be about the Grom clone, the Boom Vader. A while back I purchased a undertail from TST Industries and I thought it was going to work out because the bodies are pretty similar between the clones and the real Groms, but it just did not fit correctly. There was some gaps in the panels, some tabs were getting broken trying to stress the parts to fit right. So I pulled the trigger and got the rear plastics, the two side pieces on the tail as well as the tail light garnish. Now, unfortunately those pieces don't fit with the rest of the body parts, so I had to buy the rest of the Grom body parts. Fortunately, it wasn't too expensive. I got everything except for the headlight cover and the fender for about 200 bucks with all the screws, tabs, clips, everything included. So today's video is going to be an entire body conversion on the clone using all Honda body parts. Now, the parts themselves are a dark gray and the headlight and fender are white, but that's okay because we're going to end up wrapping the parts anyways. I'm not going to reveal what color yet. If you know my car taste, it might give you an idea of what color I'd like to choose, but we'll leave that for a later video.
Lime green.
No, not lime green. First thing we're going to do is take all the parts off the bike, strip the body down, and then I'm going to go over the parts that I did purchase. Got everything through Revzilla. This is not sponsored by them at all, but it's a good website if you want some cheap parts quickly delivered to your door. So let's go ahead and get all this stuff taken apart.
So you got it all from Revzilla?
Yeah, all of it, yeah.
I mean, I know, because, you know, we make the videos, but I knew. Unboxing video of these.
Here's the undertail piece. There's the taillight garnish that goes around the taillight. Here's our two rear end pieces. Fuel tank cover. This is the inner shroud that goes between the fairings. There's some of the plastics that go by the tank.
Oh, nice. That looks really nice.
Yeah. And they've even got a Honda logo, so now I can really fake like I own a Grom.
Yeah. What's next? An M logo?
Yeah.
Dude, we should see how many fake logos we can get on the, or actual brand logos. Like we have the Hellcat badge. We need like an M badge.
Yeah, I'm putting like a Golf R badge on it.
R badge.
Yep.
PRD.
All right. Just a couple of the garnish panels, side panels, the ones that say Grom on it, so I can fake flex on everybody. There's more side panels, and then some of the under plastics that all the panels mount to. And then we've also got a bunch of OEM Honda clips and stuff, so
look at that.
I'm gonna do it all right.
That's that JDM rain dance.
Yeah. God, it's so much more solid, dude. It's awesome.
Yeah.
All right, so I guess it'll be the back.
So you want to test the key real quick? Make sure that
I'll make sure that it works.
Yeah.
Some of you that are planning to do this tail conversion, the TST undertail, with the integrated LED light, you're going to run into an issue on the clones of the wires not matching up. Because these come with a harness that's made to plug into the OEM Grom harness, you're going to have to do a little bit of cutting and splicing. So I want to give you all a quick shot of what these wires look like and which ones you're going to have to match up. So there you go. And these are going to be your turn signals. And then I have to put in the one for the license plate light later on, but I do have that as well. And that's going to be pretty simple because that's just two wires to it.
I don't see why it wouldn't work.
It's working.
Cool. So now we just gotta
Get the rear part on.
thing in.
Put a little thing.
Bruh, it's in my pocket, man. It's just a little thing.
You just a little thing.
I think this battery is too big.
Oh no. Dude, mine didn't really fit in well in my stock one either.
I wonder if I should just like cut that.
Cut it.
Is it just
Cause where does it sit on this one? Oh, this one it sits all the way forward up here. I mean, I guess I could just.
you
cut,
get 10 snips and
I can cut that piece out. Yeah, let's do that.
I guess the Dremel too, I don't know.
Yeah, the drum would be hard to fit in there.
It's almost about the same. Potential haters, if you will, that will say, "Oh, why are you spending this money on a cheap Chinese knockoff of something?"
You know, these things are meant to be torn apart, beat on. That's why we got them. Nothing about this was meant to be like a serious build. I just really like the way that TST plate delete worked. I like the way it looks, and now I'm here 200 bucks later. So
I'm all about it, man. I love these.
yeah,
bikes.
it is what it is, man. You know, 200 bucks is something like this. That's a drop in the bucket, you know, compared to buying a real Grom. So
Yeah, we're rich anyways. We have so much YouTube money.
I'm so rich, bro.
Dude,
I
y'all
got
would
75
not-
views on my last video.
Y'all
So
would not understand.